Hello, dear friends. This is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. And also write your feedback in the comments if this video helped you, or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you how you can save a video from Instagram directly to your gallery on your iPhone or Android. The method will work on both iPhone and Android. How to do it? Everything is very simple. In order to download a video from Instagram, you just need to go into it. Now find a video that is in free access. That is the most important thing, that the video was not a closed profile. It can be, for example, Reels. We find this video, open, click on the button, share. Now here we click, copy link. All we link to the video copied, and I now miss this video. I leave Instagram, go to Safari, and I need the site. Snapinsta, open. Now click on the button, paste the link, and click on download. There is a download of our video. This is the video. Now click on download video, close the ads if it pops up. Click on the button, download. All the video downloaded. Now click on the top, download, open this video, click on it, and now I can click on the button, share, and here I choose the item, save video. All the video is saved to the gallery. I go to the gallery on my iPhone, and there's the video that I just downloaded from Instagram. As you can see, it's a very easy and quick way. Done. There's nothing complicated about it. If you like this video, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. And also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. Bye bye. See you later.